Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to my Amani Creative English Thoughts World. I come up with a new topic again here, which is very interesting. It is nothing but tenses. Already in our previous classes, we discussed about tenses, how many types they are, and what are the main types. And each tense is divided into four subtenses. So today I came up with that one tense, which is regularly we can use it in our daily life. That is nothing but a simple present tense. It is a part of in a present tense. Actually, in present tense we have four types of tense, that is simple present tense and present continuous tense and present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So as a part of that tenses, today I am going to tell you about what is simple present tense. It is a very usual thing which we can apply it in our daily life every day. For example, like a regular actions or habitual actions, for the universal truths and for the proverbs also we can apply this tense. It is a very useful tense for every human being's life, which they can apply in their life every day. See, actually every kind of tense they have the helping verbs and the main verbs in the structure. But here when it comes to this simple present tense, no helping verb should be needed for it. And the main verb should be V1 always. The main verb is V1 verb. And when it comes to the structure, subject plus V1 plus object. And this tense is used for the regular actions as usual I said, and for the universal truths and for the proverbs also. And you can see here, for every subject they can take a particular helping verbs in simple present tense. For example, you can see here he, she, it, singulars or names. They can take the helping verb of does. And I, we, you, they, plurals, they can take the help of the word do for forming the structures and for making the negative sentences and for asking the questions, whatever it may be, we can apply these helping verbs according to the need. And when it comes to the main verb, if the subject is he, she, it, singular or names, then we can apply the V5 word for the main verb. That means yes or es you can add to the main verb when it is the subject he, she or it. For example, you can see here, I drink milk every day and the sun rises in the east. This is a universal truth. And water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. He goes to temple every day. He goes to temple daily. Here the subject is he. So that's why we added es to the main verb for a completed structure. This is all about the simple present tense. I hope you understand it. I will meet later again in our next session with a new interesting topic. Thank you all.